5 benefits of applying milk and lemon on the face. Skin-related problems increase due to humid weather. In such a situation, you can use milk and lemon to increase the glow of the face. Know about its benefits in the article, Expert Opinion. According to Dr. Ruchi Sharma, the nutrients present in lemon and milk cure skin-related problems. Lemon and milk face pack helps in getting rid of acne and pimples. Increase facial glow. The mixture of milk and lemon helps in increasing the glow of the face. For this, you can use the mixture of milk and lemon as bleach. Eliminate dry skin problems. A mixture of milk and lemon removes the problem of dry skin. For this, mix milk and lemon in a bowl and apply it on the face and wash the face after 20 minutes. Get rid of oily skin. Milk and lemon face mask removes the problem of oily skin. For this, mix milk and lemon juice. Now add cucumber juice to it and apply it on the face and wash the face after 15 minutes. Remove stains. A mixture of lemon and milk removes blemishes. For this, mix both of them and apply it on the affected area and wash the face after 15 minutes. Eliminate acne problems. Milk and lemon face mask removes the problem of acne. Also, applying it also cures pimples. Applying milk and lemon on the face provides all these benefits.